Good morning, everyone. Welcome to SP Smart Hybrid Schooling System. So we are entering into the 8th day of our spoken English classes, and today we are going to do one of an important activity that is based on your critical thinking. I have came across with feedbacks from the students that they are lacking in terms of idea. So, bache, one should have thoughts, one should have ideas in order to speak really very well in English. So I'm introducing one of an innovative activity that will be helping you to create ideas in your mind, and after creation of those ideas you can speak about those ideas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to showcase a photograph. Kindly listen to me properly, bache. You have to see that photograph, you have to analyze that photograph, and as per your visualization you have to write down points and you need to speak on those on the photograph which is being shared by me. We will be mutually discussing regarding the photograph. If you are lacking somewhere, definitely I would be there to help you as a support. Is it clear, bache, everyone? So I'm
Yes, sir.
moving ahead with the photograph. The photograph is there on the screen. It's a pictorial representation, right? Can you see the photograph which is being present to you in the screen?
Yes, sir.
What does this photograph talks about?
Sir, environmental pollution.
Very good, very good. Exactly the very first point is being coming from one of the student of your class. It's about environmental pollution. What can we say on this?
Sir, global warming.
Global warming. Very good. Some students are considering it as a global warming thing. Some students are considering as a environmental pollution. So definitely everyone has a different thought. I want you to gather the ideas, bache. Think more. What can you see in this picture? The earth is crying, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Why the earth is crying, bache?
Sir, because of the pollution.
Because there is many pollution.
Because of the
Pollution.
Sir, we are
pollution. What someone is saying something in between. I was not able to hear you up. What are you saying, bache?
Sir, we are cutting trees.
Pollution.
Very good. We are cutting trees and definitely it is causing pollution.
So we
Clean
are polluting
and
water.
pollution is too much. That's why the glaciers are.
Glaciers are melting. Definitely due to the pollution the glaciers are melting. Very good, bache. Another point. Due
There
to
is fire. Is too.
what fire is symbolizing in this picture? Yes, everyone.
Burning of trees. Forest fire.
Forest fire, okay, it can be
Air pollution.
because we are developing at the cost of nature, right? We are making structures, we are making roads, we are making infrastructures, buildings on the cost of nature. We are doing deforestation. What else is there, bache? How many types of pollutions are there?
Air pollution. Pollution, water pollution.
Very good, very good. Air pollution, water pollution, and
Land pollution.
land pollution. Okay, what else is there? Have you heard about greenhouse effect?
Yes. Yes.
What do you mean by greenhouse effect? Who will be explaining greenhouse effect?
Sir, greenhouse effect means when greenhouse gases traps heat and causes their effect on earth.
Very good, bache. Ragni, could you name the gases?
Yes, sir.
Which gases are
Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane.
very good, very good. What are you observing this year? Are you observing something this year?
Yes, sir.
Regarding the summers, are you observing something this year?
Yes, sir. There is. I think this here is global warming. Temperature is increasing too much.
Temperature is boiling hot. Start
Yes, sir.
using phrases. It's boiling hot. We are boiling like anything, right?
Sir,
What, bache?
Yes.
Yes, bache.
sir, by greenhouse effect, the Earth's surface gets warm and the temperature, atmosphere gets lower at temperature.
Very good, very good. What else? What are the causes of water pollution? See, River is there. We are also polluting the water. Can you
Sir,
see?
the discharge of industrial waste.
Very good. So,
Savage pesticides.
very good. Insecticides and pesticides. What else? Excessive use of these pesticides and insecticides, they also cause in soil pollution. Soil pollution is another form of pollution, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Is it? So,
Yes.
give some points on soil pollution, bache. You need to speak in English only, bache. Come on, let's speak. Okay.
Sir, sorry.
What? Yes, soil pollution. The soil is losing the fertility. It is losing the fertility due to the excessive usage of pesticides and insecticides. Moreover, when we are adding insecticides and pesticides to food, to plants, when they are growing, it is also affecting our health, isn't it? That same chemical is going in our tummy. We are eating the same food which is being produced by the excessive use of insecticides and pesticides, right?
Yes.
We are humans, do you really think as humans we are doing good to our mother earth?
Sir, no.
No, sir.
What should be done? What should be done to make our mother earth happy, bache?
Girls, be attentive and
What should be done, bache, to make our
we
mother?
need
Sir, growing more trees and plants
you should cut trees.
and more plants.
we should
No more cut trees.
We should grow more plants.
we should grow more plants. Okay, we should.
Sir, can I?
We don't throw waste.
Okay, what else we are doing, bache?
Sir?
Yes, beta ji.
So we can garbage. We can can sort our garbage. So that's why the mosquitoes that are on garbage do not spread anymore. And we can repurpose means we can repurpose old items, plant a tree.
Recycle. We can recycle old items. Recycling has to be done. Very good. Very good. What else?
So
We shouldn't throw
We can reduce
Should-
the use of plastic.
Okay. Should we throw plastic bottles in Tavi River?
No, sir. No, sir. Sir, in this picture, we can also see that glaciers are melting.
Very good. What will happen if they gonna melt? If they melt, what will
Sir,
be happening?
there will be floods.
There will be. Very good. Very good. What else is there, bache?
Floods.
Very good. Very nice. So, it's nice to get so many thoughts.
increase.
Very nice. There are 57 brains in the class, and it is very nice to hear your views. Bache, I really want to thank you, but I want you to speak in English only. So the communication has to be done in English only, as this is the 8th day of your spoken English classes. So thank you, bache.